welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So I just have a very small, just a couple items to show you that I've been wanting to show you, and I just haven't gotten anything else, so I figured, all right, let me just show you now so I can put them away in my closet. You'll be like, Carolyn, you slow down on the shopping. Well, not really. See, my daughter is going away to college next year, and she's going to start needing things for their winter coat, rain jacket, snow boots, things that I have not bought her in years. So I've been mostly shopping for her online, and then of course returning because she doesn't like anything I pick out for her. But that's pretty much where I've been focusing my shopping. That said, I've been watching all of you. I've been eyeing Wantable lately. There's quite a few things I like on Wantable, and I might have to put in a box for that. And some of you have gotten some great trunk clubs, and I'm jealous. I don't get anything like that in my trunks. So, you know, I'm gonna hold off for now. I have a whole Pinterest board that I plan to scour on Black Friday, including my coveted level 99 joggers. I'm gonna try and buy direct from their site, and hopefully on Black Friday they have a deal. There's a Liverpool shacket that I want that is either on Liverpool, and I also noticed it on Bloomingdale's. That said, I'm a little bit concerned about the fit because shackets tend to be oversized, and I'm a pretty small person. I also have a Macy's INC faux leather blazer I have my eye on, and it's only 70 bucks, so if it sells out, it sells out. It wasn't meant to be, but I thought it was pretty cute. It's on my list. And I also want the Every faux leather beige blazer with the gray zip out. That's also on my list, as well as Vince Camuto faux leather lug sole booties. So I got a few things on my Black Friday list. Tell me what's on yours. I'd like to know. Maybe I'm missing something. All right, for the items that I got, first I copied Barbara from BC Sells. I'll link her channel below. So she, a couple weeks ago, did a Macy's haul and purchased a few items. And you know, I really do like Macy's. I just don't like looking on their website. Their website is just too big and overwhelming. I get distracted. I go back on YouTube. I get caught up doing something else, and then I never find anything. And I don't know about your local Macy's, but my local Macy is a mess. It looks like a bomb went off in there. It's just clothes everywhere. And it's not good quality stuff. It's mostly just their in-house brands, and I don't know, just a lot of Alfani, a lot of Style & Co. I don't see much. And then when I go online, they have a lot of brands that I do like. So she picked out this DKNY sweater, and I copied her and got the same one. This is just a great puff sleeve sweater with a banded bottom. It was only $33 when I purchased it, and I will try and leave the links. I don't guarantee it's still there. And let's see what this is made out of. It's machine wash, cold, gentle cycle, inside out, do not bleach, dry flat, do not dry clean. And it is 75% viscose / rayon. So, and then 25% nylon. All right, I think it's really a cute, trendy sweater. And you know, it's like a half sleeve, $33, I was there. So thank you, Barbara. I will try this on. I have not tried it on yet, but it does look adorable, and I got it in my usual extra small. All right, the next thing I got, I happened to be at Target about a week ago, and I was waiting for a prescription there. And while I was waiting, I said, well, let me go check out, you know, the clothing area. So I went in there, and you know, for some reason, I'm drawn to that brand, A New Day. I'm not interested in the other brands. I know a lot of you like the Knox Rose and that Universal Threads. I just look and there's just nothing that says, oh, Carolyn, buy me. But the A New Day, yeah, once in a while, there's something that pops up. And on the display, on the mannequin, was this sweater, all right? It's a green sweater, but it's a bluish green, all right? I don't have anything in this quite color. I did keep the blue cardigan from Loft, but the Blazigan, but this is definitely more of a green color, not a blue. And I don't really have much in the way of green except olive green. And this is a nice thick and seems like a decent quality, like something you would get from Loft or Stitch Fix, etc. So this is 53% cotton, 27 polyester, 20% nylon. Machine wash cold with light colors, gentle cycle, lay flat to dry. All right, so I mean, it seems like a nice quality made cardigan. It has the 2 front pockets in front, and it's an open cardigan, no buttons. And I just was really drawn to this color. And I am always chronically cold, so I tend to layer up. All right, give me a minute and I'm gonna do a try on and I'll style them how I plan to style them. I'm meeting my mother-in-law this Thursday for lunch and I think I'm gonna be wearing this cardigan then. All right, give me a minute and let me do a try on. This is the cardigan. I have it paired with a Daniel Rain Becru blouse. This is from Stitch Fix. I had my eye on this one forever, and when I finally got it, I was so excited. I haven't worn it, or I've worn it, but hardly ever. And I guess because it's so pretty, I'm afraid of slopping it up. But I am going to break it out, and plus I never leave the house. I am going to break it out when I see my mother-in-law this Thursday. I think this is just such a beautiful little top with a little cap sleeve with a little crochet trim. That is going to be covered up mostly by the cardigan, but you can still see the pretty details across the top. I have it front tucked, and I have it paired with a pair of White House Black Market bootcut jeans, which I'll pan down in just a minute, that I got years ago, probably 3 years ago, and I've been still wearing them. And I am in the market for another pair of bootcut jeans, and I am in the market for a pair of non-distressed straight leg jeans. These are my only pair of boot cut, and I would like another pair, and I only have one pair of straight leg, and they're distressed, so I'm looking for non-distressed. So if any of you guys know any place that might look for them, especially for Black Friday, let me know. Like I said, I'm bringing together a list. And I probably would need a petite in the boot cut. I might be able to get away with a regular and the straight leg, but a boot cut or flare, I always have to do petite. All right, I'll show you the back of the outfit before I pan down. Okay. And with this, I have on my Mark Fisher booties in ivory that I think I got last year on my own from Nordstrom. I don't think they came in a box. I think I got them on my own. And I love these booties. And they're pretty comfortable too. All right, yeah, so this is my outfit, and I'm going to wear it, I think, on Thursday. All right, give me a minute. I'm going to throw on the gray sweater, and I'm going to style that a little bit different. Okay, up next is the DKNY puff sleeve sweater, and as you can see, the sleeves are pretty dramatic. They're more dramatic than I actually thought they were going to be, but I do like this. The sleeves come to an elbow and it has a nice banding around it as well as a banding around the bottom. I think it fits just right in an extra small. If you are in between sizes, I would suggest size up. There is not much room in this, but I don't think it's too tight. I will look back at the footage to double check, but I do think that this is the right size for me. It has a nice V-neck, which I think calls for a nice little layered necklace maybe here. I have a silver dainty one that I probably would pair with this. And I have on the same jeans, mainly because I'm lazy, the same bootcut jeans from White House Black Market from about 3 years ago. They're a medium to dark wash. And I love these jeans. They're very comfortable and they fit exactly how a bootcut should fit. I'll pan down. I switched out my boots for a pair of Michael Kors booties in a light gray suede, which is what I would wear with this. So give me a second. Okay. And here are the boots. They have zippers on the sides, and actually both sides and both work. All right. I only need one side to unzip them. And I like these booties. I think I got them at Macy's. And they were pretty pricey, but I got them on sale. All right, and that is it for this teeny tiny haul. So what'd you think? I really like the Target sweater. The Target sweater, I believe, was $27.99, and I'll try and find the links. And this sweater, I think, was $33, again, on sale. So highly recommend, both nice quality, both cute, both very comfortable. Do I need any of this? Absolutely not. My closet is bursting at the seams. I'm not willing to get rid of anything because everything is something that I purchased in the last couple of years and I still like. I just keep finding more I like. Well, thank you again for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed already, what's holding you back? I'm free. I do shopping hauls, try-ons, unboxings. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care, and until next time.